Our planet is struggling. Thousands of plant and animal species disappear each year. Freshwater sources are dwindling, and unsustainable practices like deforestation and overfishing threaten the nature we all need. To overcome these challenges, we must work together with nature's strongest allies. Communities in rural areas manage almost 1/4 of all Earth's lands and waters, an area larger than South America and Europe combined, harboring 80% of Earth's biodiversity. And yet, their vital role protecting nature is often undervalued. Many of these communities also lack access to basic services, and they must routinely try to stop the expansion of unsustainable activities that threaten their way of life. That's why Conservation International links communities, partners, and donors committed to protecting nature while improving the well-being of communities. Using win-win deals called conservation agreements, individuals and communities receive benefits in return for conservation actions. For example, a community committed to protect forests from logging would receive concrete benefits such as investments in sustainable agriculture and community infrastructure, improved access to services, and wages for conservation or patrolling activities. Through a transparent and respectful process, these communities, together with NGOs, government agencies, or the private sector, design and implement these conservation agreements. From the beginning, the process defines what sustainability means for each site and sets communities up for long-term success. First, once the study determines that conservation agreements are feasible given the area's context, the program presents the communities with the opportunity to pursue these win-win deals. If they themselves see the value of such agreements, terms are designed and negotiated, and the project begins. Thorough and periodic monitoring informs an annual review, at which time the agreement can be renewed or terms can be changed, and benefits are dispersed if conservation commitments have been met. Since 2005, these conservation agreements framework has promoted the protection of millions of hectares of forests, rangelands, and wetlands, as well as endangered species, all the while strengthening hundreds of communities. Now, Conservation International aims to expand its work with communities and partners, because together, it is possible to both protect nature and improve the well-being of its stewards.